How to make Squarespace menu header smaller. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Obviously for me, I did over exaggerate the size of the header here. But in general, if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can feel free to do so very easily with Squarespace, and I'll show you exactly how to do so. Let's just go and get started. Open up your Squarespace website and just go and click on edit here to edit your site. So once this opens up, you really just want to hover over the header and click on edit site header. Once you do that, you're going to find on the bottom right here, you will find edit design, and on top of it, you should find this little arrow here, which should let you know that you can resize. So just go and hold it and either make it bigger, but in this video it's supposed to be smaller, so raise it up. So just go upwards and it's going to be smaller, 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 and you can just go as far as this. So now you can actually see how small it actually could get and how big it actually could also possibly get. Now obviously this is not just it. When it comes to the height wise, you're good to go, but when it comes to the elements here, you can't really, unfortunately, you can't really move them around like you would any other element, except using the actual things here that we have. So add elements and edit design. If we click on add elements, we can feel free to remove or add elements. For example, the button, which should be on the far right here, for me in this layout, we can just feel free to remove it because it does not really look that good. We could possibly even remove the social links here. We don't really need that. And we can actually make it more neat and smaller in this way. And not only that, we can just go and click away, and we can just go to the edit design section. From here, we can actually go ahead and switch up the layout for these elements. So click on edit design. And once this opens up for you, first you can feel free to change the color and stuff, but then we can also see the layout. In the layout, we can obviously change where each element is going to be. There are going to be a few to choose from, so go ahead and select whichever one suits you best. I'm just going to go with this one. I think this one is actually going to fit a lot better. And not only that, but we can actually go ahead and start increasing or decreasing the link spacing. So we can actually see how it's actually going to be looking like between the menu items. And then we also have the element spacing, which is going to be also a very important part here. So to make it more even, you would want to get this a little bit closer, like so. And then we can also add some more stuff like drop shadow, border, which also could increase the height. You can also feel free to change it from here. And also we have the width to make it full or inset, which is not visible for me because it's one color, but it could be different for you. So all of these elements are going to make a difference for you. So just go and play around with the elements in here, and you should be good to go. And feel free to change it however you like. Click on save. Just make sure you do that first before you click on exit, and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.